Alright my friends, welcome back to the channel. Last time you have seen me pull all those wires needed for the station area underground from this point and this point to my signal box. Yes, that's right, there they are. And today we are going to install the backplate in the signal box where I will mount all the electronic components, and then we can install some clamping system down here which will clamp all the wiring in place, and then we are ready to close up those wiring tunnels. So let's get started. Yay! I finally got it done. You know, it was a tedious process when you need a time lapse to tighten 4 screws in each corner. Here, here and there. So now this big plate is mounted permanently to the box, and I will use this wooden plate to mount all the signal box electronics, all the circuit boards and so on. So now that this plate is installed, we can move on. I need to drill some holes down here to feed all the wiring in, and that will be the next step. We did it, my friends! All the wiring is inside my signal box. That's a huge success. If we look down here, it looks very neat and tidy. Nothing will happen to those wires. And now the next step will be to mount those clamps somewhere on this board. Good morning! It is the next day, and yesterday evening I got a lot done. Look at that. We've got all the wiring connected to the connector blocks. It's all neat and tidy. There the wiring goes in. We've got a additional hole for the power supply of the whole signal box. And now we need to focus on those end caps, those pieces right here. We need to punch a hole in them to feed all the wire through the top, and then I can close up the lids and make it all look nice again. And that's it. We have laid our wires from this signal box underground into the station area right here and right there. This lid is closed. The lid up here is closed. Let's go there. Nice and tight. That's very nice. And up in here we made also a huge progress. All the wiring is inside the signal box. It is fed in those clamping systems, and now we would be able to install some circuit boards, decoders and so on. But that will be for another day. So I hope you have enjoyed this project, and we will see us when I continue the work. Bye!